What you got, sissy? Give her her baby. Give her her baby.
What's up, sissy? What's up with the baby?
What's she doing? Is it good stuff?
It's good.
No? The baby likes it? Stop. Okay. Baby go for a ride.
Now the baby needs.
Do we need to fix it? No, we gotta fix it. Arr! Okay.
Now she needs a ride.
So put your seatbelt on. Okay. You gonna give her a ride?
Yes.
Let Lily do it. It's her baby.
Yes.
Yay!
Yay!
What's she doing?
Like it.
What?
Okay, like it.
Oh. Say beep beep.
Beep beep.
So you're in the way.
Oh, the way. Oh, you're the way. It's on the track.
Yeah, you went over the tracks.
The truck goes through the train.
Yeah, train. What you doing, sissy?
Alright.
Hmm?
And you go.
Yeah. Giving the baby ride.
Baby ride.
Baby ride. Maybe you'll be so happy.
Yes. It's little good. Wait, there's a trap.